Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by capturing facts immediately. Write date, time, and exact location and lock that into your opening sentence so nothing drifts. Once done, list involved people with roles and contact information so follow-up is possible. Make sure to preserve evidence, take photos, save digital logs, and secure physical items. This first step prevents lost details and makes your narrative credible. Act now to avoid relying on memory later. You now build the incident narrative. Write events in strict chronological order, starting with the trigger and moving through responses. Explain precisely what you did and what others did, list tools or systems involved, and quantify damage or injury with estimates or dollar amounts where known. Once that section is complete, add timestamps for each action and attach or reference supporting files. This level of detail shows cause and effect and support. You finish by summarizing the outcome, residual risk, and clear recommendations for next steps, including who should act and by when. Be specific. Then sign, date, and route the letter to the correct supervisor or department. Attach evidence and reference any incident numbers. Make sure to keep a timestamped copy and note how it was submitted. If something goes wrong, recheck recipient email/portal, confirm delivery receipt, and immediately resend with a brief explanatory cover note.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.